question is that what challenges a doctor faced after completing MBBS? I mean, a life of a doctor after
Yeah.
this.
Okay. So basically, in India, जब कोई एमबीबीएस करता है, जब कर ही रहा होता है तो बहुत सारा एक्सपेक्टेशन होता है सोसाइटी का और खुद का भी बहुत ज्यादा होता है. स्टूडेंट का ही खुद से बहुत ज्यादा एक्सपेक्टेशन होता है और आफ्टर एमबीबीएस उनको एक्चुअली पता नहीं है कि वो क्या कुछ कर सकते हैं. तो मतलब मेजॉरिटी ऑफ स्टूडेंट जो है वो सिर्फ एमडी एमएस के पीछे चले जाते हैं. एमडी एमएस करना बहुत जरूरी है अगर आपकी एस्पिरेशंस है कि आप आगे फर्दर स्टडी करना चाहते हो. और मतलब बहुत दिनों तक अगर आप चाहते हो कि आप पढ़ाई करो, आपका मन है, तो फिर दैट इज वेरी गुड. अगर एक दो अटेम्प्ट में हो जाता है तो बहुत ही अच्छा है. लेकिन अगर नहीं होता है तो इट्स नॉट लाइक कि आप कुछ कर नहीं सकते हो. मतलब देयर आर प्लेंटी ऑफ ऑप्शंस जो एमबीबीएस के बाद ऑप्ट किया जा सकता है और बहुत अच्छे से सेटल हो सकते हैं और बहुत अच्छी अर्निंग हो सकती है. मीन्स दैट यू कैन बी वेरी मच सेटिस्फाइड. तो मतलब अगर आपको डिसाइड करना होगा कि वेदर यू वांट टू परस्यू फॉर लाइक एमडी एमएस डिग्री or you want to move abroad, so this will be the best time after MBBS if you would like want to move to other countries. And the third, if you want to settle down matlab in near future, like in 2-3 years, so you can go for short courses and you can start your practice, and there are other things I'll talk later. So the first is MD and MS degree or DNB degree. So for those degrees, there are NEET PG exam, then DNB exam, AIMS PG exam. So you can apply for those things and you can get MD MS degree. So now the seat has increased, so it is better now. And the second is if you want to move to other countries, so after MBBS directly you apply for USMLE, which is for USA. Then you can apply for PLAB and you can go to UK. You can apply for AMC and you can move to Australia. And there are other also nowadays. Germany is also an option. Apart from these two things, there are various other options, like you can do short courses like fellowship or diploma in critical medicine, emergency medicine, diabetes, neurology in neurology rehabilitation, and also you can go for like master's degree in hospital administration, hospital management. You can apply for MTech in IIT, and you can go for biomedical engineering. There are plenty of after MBBS. This income is not an issue. You will be sustained on your own. You can do part-time job in hospitals. You can get a good salary, and you can along with your work, you can study as well and prepare for your NEET exam or whatever exam you want to like do for. So you can do JR-ship in government hospitals. You can work as RMO in private hospitals. You can go for permanent jobs like UPSC CME, that is combined medical examination. UPSC conducts this exam, and through this you can go in railways. You can go work with MCT Delhi, ordnance factories, then your this ESI hospitals. These are highly paying jobs and these are permanent jobs. You can apply for these as well. There are other things also. You can start your own startup like 1MG is a medical startup. If you are keen of doing something on your own apart from these traditional things, you can go for startup as well. So these are various things you can do if you are not qualified in NEET PG exam. Okay, so it's like completing MBBS, and after that the life is also good, but the life will be hectic. And it depends upon which branch you choose. If you are in emergency services, like emergency department, so you have to be on your toes. Like you have to be ready for any patient any time of the day. and night. And if you choose branches like radiology and like non-clinical branches as well, these are good if you are not very keen of like very hectic schedule, so you can go for this, and these are too good as well. So the life of a doctor depends upon the branch he is in. Yeah, that's it, I think.
थैंक यू। आपने क्योंकि पीजी की बात की तो एनी मतलब इसमें स्पेशलाइजेशन में कोई ऐसा है जिसमें आपको लगता हो ज्यादा डिमांडिंग है?
हाँ, डिमांडिंग है, बट आई थिंक द जो सबसे ज्यादा जरूरी है वो ये है कि आप किस फील्ड में ओरिएंटेड हो. You need to talk after completing your MBBS, and during MBBS you come across all the faculties from all the departments. तो आपको ये पता चल जाता है कि आपका इंटरेस्ट किसमें है, ठीक है. और अगर ये नहीं पता चल पाता है, मतलब मेजॉरिटी के साथ ये होता है कि बहुत ज्यादा पैशनेट नहीं है किसी सिंगल ब्रांच को लेके, तो फिर हाँ मतलब डिपेंड्स कि आप मनी वाइज यू कैन सी कि कौन सा. द मेन थिंग जो यही है कि मनी वाइज कौन सा है जो ज्यादा डिमांडिंग है, या फिर जो टॉप रैंकर्स होते हैं वो क्या ऑप्ट करते हैं. सो एट प्रेजेंट सिनेरियो अभी रेडियोलॉजी I think is on the top. The top is of the radiology. It's highly paying, and also इसमें बहुत ज़्यादा emergency नहीं होता है. You can have your own timings for work. And the second is orthopedics. It is also the upper one. Then pediatrics is also one of the top. Dermatology, because majority of the people are very means they want to have good skin and hair, so dermatology is also good. Like these are the highly demanding ones.